a vending machine that shits out Hot Wheels. I need to check it out, man. I need to check it out. Here we are at the Monterey Square Mall, and I found out that there's a vending machine that gives out Hot Wheels. We need to find it. It's somewhere in the mall. Let's go. I'm losing hope, guys. I'm not able to find. Uh-oh. I got it. Guys, I got it. Hot Wheels. Okay, time to open this. Okay. I didn't break it. It's pretty cool. It's called Sushi Tuner. I don't have a Hot Wheel collection, but I might start one now.